what's up? If I'm not mistaken, this is from a company that I promised them I will do a review. I still pay for this. I don't know who these people are or nothing. It's not a sponsor thing or anything like that, but holy crap, tape it when you have a chance. Somewhere under this tape there's a box. So, yeah, this is supposed to be a branding. Came with a pair of gloves, a little brush to clean it up. I'm assuming this is a stand. This. Plug in iron with a switch. Pretty thin wire, I would say, but again, I'm not an electrician. And this would be my Area 51 crafted by me. So I guess you get a hand one, just in case you want to heat it up with a torch. Or an electric one. So, for wood, 3 seconds at 350. Wait for about 10 to 15 minutes. Wow, that's a slow cooking thing, but okay, I'll do that. And yeah, let's see how this. No way it's gonna hold this freaking thing. Yep. I guess it will hold this one, but this one is not hot unless you heat it up, so don't worry, I know a guy that can make a little stand. So anyways, I'll plug this in and we'll try it out and let's give it a shot. It was burning. It had a little bit of, I guess, some glue or something, part of the manufacturing process that started to burn on the top. So I cleaned that with that brush. That's 1, 2, 3. I would say it takes longer than that, but works. That's 10 seconds. Here's a piece of pine. Well, there you have it. Works. Can't see the center piece in this one, but I guess the wood has to be flat for it to work. Turn it back on. I mean, it said 10 to 15 minutes. I guess because it's new, it started to smoke here, so I stopped it at 8 minutes. So I don't think I'm being 100% fair, but that's 12 seconds. There you have it. Works. They spelled it right. Turn this off. This is hot, but it's made by Arokimi, brand made in the USA. It's very North American name, but yeah, it works. They did a good job. It shipped the same day. It took another 4 or 5 days to get here, but I got a message that it was shipped the very same, like out in the morning, and by the afternoon they had already shipped it out. So anyways, that's that. Works pretty good, I would say. Still smoking, even though it's off, but I think that's just settling. My guess is, because I don't want to wait 10-15 minutes, I'll probably wind up using this and that bad boy there. And yes, just in case you're wondering, I do have fire extinguisher over there. So anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you later.